Now it's visible.
They have a 5-step.
Defense. I guess I will go far here.
Okay.
Let's go team boys.
Join them? They want
Depends
to.
on the day, but we don't then.
Nah, don't worry lah. If you're Widow, this level, the Widow not so scary one. Trust me.
Float around.
Oh yeah, play.
No, you select. I'll just feel.
I will fill up.
Not much of an option lah. Right now, you and me.
You want a tank or a tank?
You want to use which tank? Give me. I only can use Zarya. Yeah. What
Just
thing
pick,
you
just pick something.
Then I'll go for this one then. What the fuck? Oh. It's been a long time since I comp. I think got 4 days, 5 days never comp.
I thought we just played you like a few days ago. We just played you a few days ago, right?
3 days ago?
2 days ago maybe?
Start of the week?
No lah.
Yeah, I should have used Moira instead. Duck him. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's go Transcendence for now.
Should jump quiet.
All of us are here.
Yeah, that's the idea.
That's for social wear.
Oh, they got you go, hopefully I'll forget him. Stupid Gryphon pushing me away. Someone's inside. Someone's inside.
That's going around the back. So it up.
Kill him, kill him. Okay, kill him.
Went up behind. Oh.
Hop behind.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, sorry.
Fucking hop.
I didn't realize everybody ran away
I
already.
thought you got the star.
Pharah usually does pretty well at lower elos because people can't aim.
Oh, that's really scary.
Where are they coming from?
Ming. Oh, the hook. Nice. Alright, where's the
Power one, power dead.
Oh, nice shot.
On the right side is the baguette.
I'm moving, move back, come back. Hawk's coming. Hawk is coming.
Yeah, got rest, be careful,
He rest far. Die half.
On top is a rock, on top, left.
Die half again.
Okay. I couldn't get him.
Going off the high ground. Focus him. Focus, he's dead.
Alright, it's spotted, alright.
Oh, this is my bad positioning.
Right side.
Baguette in point.
Pick it down, point. Pick it up one. Oh, they use.
Careful for the...
We get that behind us.
Fine. You got the numbers.
But he won. But he dead.
There's a horrible out.
They also have a very horrible out. I like it.
Whew. That's not bad.
Yeah,
South
their out was so bad.
They're back. Careful, it's running for us.
Power one.
The bucket.
I'm going back a bit.
Zarya on the left side, going up to the staircase. Oh, Mercy solo. Oh, Zarya's low.
Got a
Loaded,
pool.
nice.
Hong's on top.
Pick a point.
Hong's on top left.
Carry.
What?
It's not you. Sorry.
Huh?
I thought it was you. Sorry. No, sorry. Go on, chance again. Gravaton will come, Gravaton. There will be
Yeah, I
Gravaton.
know.
Help, help.
Getting away.
You got, you got.
Oh no.
Nope.
No way I can kill that shit. You want auto healers, attack me. It's bad.
Yeah, that's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, I think you got it.
It's over like that, yeah, the Gravaton is not used yet, right?
Use already, they use it already.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't realize it, so it was my fault then. I should have used my sharpness over there.
He's having so much problem with the Pharah.
Oh, it's not weird. Could be an issue lah. No threat I don't feel anything from the power. To be honest.
I'll use my ult for the next one. I'll use my ult for the next fight.
Oh,
Once they come in a bit.
Bar one again.
I have you there. Alright, spotted.
Got it, nice.
Can put the rise, can put the rise. Get the mercy, get the mercy, get the mercy. Mercy is spotted.
Break. Focus break.
Forget it's spotted.
Mercy out.
Careful, don't overstand, don't overextend, don't overextend.
Oh my god, what's he doing?
Oh, Diva's overextended.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah,
Get cheap.
very not necessary for
There's
whatever.
some soldier here.
They have, they rest. Going back.
I'm just hanging around up here.
Oh. Who's that so low?
Hey, just
Bar
Pharah,
one.
bro.
Yeah, they're from the other side. Be careful, get down.
I'm dead. On the far end of Pilot Center.
Get your back, you.
Help.
Yes. Ah, sorry.
Wow.
I'm going to Moira, I'm going to Moira. Oh, we need more healing on the ground.
Okay, waiting for you guys.
Analyzing previous combat performance. I'm taking care. You should
Oh no.
Seriously. Yeah, I rocket jump. Rocket boosted up. Okay, we can contest point. Go.
Go, we have to go.
Oh, cannot.
Ah, the soldiers behind, guys. You watch out with that. Nice.
Fuck, already.
Oof.
We try to fall back. This is just 1 point already.
Watch.
Yeah, I'm gonna die though.
Set up this digest.
Yeah.
Come down, come to the ground. I can't hear you. Come to the ground.
must rejoin my team.
Okay.
Oh.
Nick, just focus on Jonathan.
We had to go and contest, we cannot let him push too far.
Yeah, I know. I'm going in.
Nice, you got the back. Get.
Is the soldier behind? Enemy soldier. I need to know where he is so I can.
I got the Mercy and Zen. They've only a bucket for heals.
Okay.
Kill the Hawk, kill the Hawk.
Trying. Beaver.
Flew off.
Baguette.
Oh, that was a nice shot. I just,
Bucket's still there.
I'm gonna die.
Bucket was feeding.
kill that.
Behind us, soldier.
Soldier behind.
This is so low.
I'm getting
no.
murdered.
It's so damn low.
Our DPS is very bad.
Oh, the clutch.
Oh no! I used so much bad move there. Wow.
Yeah, I got barrage shit coming out here.
Do whatever you can.
I got the mercy at least. Then dead.
Okay, good. Where the fucking bucket?
Break. Break dead.
Nice.
Naju's not
I
bad.
need to deep
Makes so many
sand.
mistakes.
I didn't do so great.
Ask one of them.
0 to 2. Switching sides.
No, you must face it. Is it okay that you can try tank? He's like, hey, dude, you fuck both tank.
Select your hero.
Do you mind tanking, please?
Yeah, something like that lah. The phasing.
yeah lah.
So I totally
Yeah.
agree with what you're thinking right now. His deep dash suck, but
So bad leh.
I told you already. See?
Oh no.
I'm bad. Nope.
Can I just be bloody honest
Okay.
and say yes, yes, you
How
stink.
are you doing this?
This is a
Provided if he actually work with us, see, if you say okay,
101
yeah,
communication.
you go. I will heal.
That is
He didn't know.
Right?
that
That
is some nice foot.
level of power, right? You know, this is no choice lah. This is Overwatch talking about.
Are you go damage, Jonathan?
What?
Jonathan, what's your damage?
Attack commences.
6,000 something. Last I don't know.
So it's bronze. So probably the
Bronze.
soldier was having high
But I
damage.
don't know if it's because I'm focusing like the air battle.
Don't do a battle. Just focus the ground. It's not worth your
Like place your
resources.
rockets and all.
It's not
I'm
worth.
actually recording this. You can watch it later, lah.
Okay, it's not worth your resources to try to do a Farah.
5,
Just
Unless
focus the
it's
ground.
for her.
3,
Okay.
Yeah. Unless you're godlike, but don't. Unless you're like,
capture.
Not many people are.
yeah.
Just see what their setup is.
Reinhardt.
They have Anna as well.
Just push in.
So low already, man. Damn, it was a waste. What a waste. Tracer, there's a Tracer.
Behind Tracer.
Yeah, Tracer. What the fuck?
Tracer.
Give me. I just got the bomb. Already.
Just the one.
Monkey, get out. Monkey, you fucker.
So the down.
Roll on the right side.
Tracer behind us.
Right one.
Tracer.
Sorry. A bit hard. Can't deal with Tracer one.
Okay.
Ah, I missed so many shots. The
Hogs on
Mercy's
top.
off.
Hogs on top somewhere. Hogs on top. You need to challenge him up there. Oh, he went down. Okay.
Okay, not so bad.
Totally not necessary.
Just have to remember to stay on payload so that we can keep pushing it on the side. Okay.
Oh shit, I'm dead.
Backing up.
I'm so sorry.
Oh dear.
It's okay. We got the point. At the very least, we got the point. I overextended myself.
I'm up here, Nick.
Okay, where are you?
Up in the sky somewhere.
I got you.
Okay.
Hit the monkey, go hit the monkey. Okay. I'll try to get.
Too far ahead.
I got 2 seconds.
Okay. Engage.
A few ultimates. Jerry, you try not to die. Oh, you're good. You're good.
Nice, you got the.
Nice.
Cool. Nice.
Who is so low outside? I cannot see.
Soldier behind.
Who is that so low?
Ah, he got me.
Is it possible for a rest?
Hey, thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Ah!
I'm going on high ground.
Monkey, you idiot!
Tracer's dead though.
Hey, we got numbers. Shoot the fucking right hand.
Oh, the Mercy is super low.
Point. Just come to the point, please. Come to the point. I'm probably gonna die.
I'm gonna punch.
Kill the Ryan, he's low.
Nice. Sweet.
I'm going to push forward a little bit.
Right into the water. Very low.
Tracer's one.
Oh my gosh. You seriously?
Just had that.
Let's continue
Oh,
pushing.
I got myself in such a bad spot.
Continue pushing.
Thanks for the orb.
Keep coming back.
Come down. Ah.
Sorry,
Okay, it's okay. Okay, wait.
I tried to
I'm
press him down, but
Oh, I'm gonna die. It's fine, it's fine. They use a lot of outs. Just for
Okay,
the
we can
last one.
reset here.
With me?
Support his support the mid. So low.
Tracer. Tracer dead.
Okay, pushing.
Mercy disrupted.
Ryan boop.
Yeah, purple, purple.
Yeah, I know.
Nice.
Ooh, nice. 3 point.
Behind us. Behind us. Tracer.
Okay, so. Solo! He's solo! He's
Oh,
solo!
dead. Oh.
Monkey! Monkey, you idiot! Get out! Oh. Go hammer
I
up.
boop behind forward. Kill him.
Okay.
There we go.
Nice.
Very
Nice.
Mercy one.
I'm gonna die there. Okay, nice job.
Oh wow.
Easy, easy.
Nice.
Oh wow, GG guys.
You suck up.
That was some good. That was some good negotiation, man. I gotta say.
No choice lah. I think if I do this more in real life,
I don't think I'm worthy of the POC.
I was telling my pastor about how calm you were.
What?
Yeah, I said I played this one